Do you want to know how to make money from your Facebook group? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you 4 things that you can implement today to start earning money from your Facebook group. Hi, I'm Jenny Wadier, social media expert with Momentum Virtual. We help business owners leverage the power of social media marketing to grow their businesses. First, let me congratulate you for doing the work to start a Facebook group. I know it can be time consuming, but I know you will find it well worth the time and effort, especially once you get the processes in place that will turn your Facebook group into a money-making machine. So, let's get right into it. Webinars. One of the best ways to earn money from your Facebook group is to host weekly or monthly webinars where you give a direct offer to purchase your products or services. Especially if you have a very active and engaged group, you can easily get 4 to 5 big ticket purchases every time you host a webinar. And the topics don't have to be changing constantly. You can have 4 to 5 topics that you cycle through. This is honestly one of the best and easiest ways to make money from your group. Next is a membership group. This one kind of goes without saying, but creating a paid membership group is a great way of earning consistent income through a Facebook group. Now, according to Facebook's terms of service, you have to make it clear that they aren't paying just to get into the group. They are paying for the training, the community, and the events that go on inside of the group. The Facebook group itself is just a place to host the members. Creating this type of group is great because not only does it give you consistent income, it helps show off your expertise, and the group members will be much more engaged because they have paid for this group. This helps build a strong and powerful community, which will draw more and more people into your membership. Market everything from the start. We know a lot of business owners who have built a group with a great community, and they're afraid that if they market to their group, it might damage that community. This is why we recommend telling people up front, I will be marketing to you in this group. Put something in your about section or in the entry questions that states that you will share offers into the group. This way, no one will be put off by you suddenly trying to sell to them. But you can also word it as if it's a special thing. When we market to our group, we use different wording than any of our other marketing. It's a lot less formal and more straightforward. We made this product. This is why we know it will help you specifically. DM us if you have any questions because we would love to talk. The great thing about marketing inside your group is that you don't have to convince anyone to listen. They already know that they can trust you. Affiliate marketing. This one I'm just going to touch on briefly, as if you have a newer group, you might not be able to do this yet. However, affiliate marketing can be an incredible way of bringing in extra income. Affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's product or service to your audience and you get a cut of their profits. As long as the item you are selling is relevant to your audience, this can be a great way to monetize your group. If you would like to learn more about how you can grow your business through the power of social media marketing, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And make sure to like this video and comment below to let us know what your Facebook group is all about. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps keep your momentum going.